video. So today, I guess this video is gonna be like entrepreneur type video. I'm just gonna be doing some stuff pertaining to my business, and I thought that I would film it. Like, why not? Give you a little bit more business content since it's been a minute. If you have not checked out the latest video, well, it's not the latest, well, if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. But if you haven't checked out the latest business type video, go check it out. I have it on the screen right here. It's this thumbnail. Go check it out, show some love. So right now, I'm about to pack up an order that I have to ship out. And then after that, I have to order some inventory. Well, I need to check my inventory and also order some. So that's what I'm gonna do after that. So yeah, let's get this order packed up. This is a sample order and it is going to North Carolina. So not too far from me. She ordered 5 samples, 3 nudes and 2 glitter glosses, and I'm about to put this on my lips. I'm not sure if this is still in stock. I know someone ordered this, the other order that I have to ship out. She ordered the bundle. This gloss is bomb. Hold on, I'm gonna put it on so y'all can see. This is the before. You know, natural lips. And here is the after. Nice little glitter, nice little shine. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this order packed up and ready to go. She ordered 5 samples, 3 nude glosses and 2 glitter glosses. And as y'all can see, your girl needs to restock. Samples are available. If you order, I'll make them. I need to go ahead and just like make them and have them ready. But samples are available. She got High Class, which is this brown nude gloss. Very pretty. Looks so beautiful on. And it is cookies and cream scented. Millionaire. This is vanilla scented. She got Go Getter. This is a pink gloss and it is cake batter scented. And then for our beautiful glitter glosses, she got Obsessed, which is like extremely pretty, and For Keeps, which is also very pretty. Obsessed is strawberry scented and For Keeps is pineapple scented. This is Obsessed. It is so pretty and it looks even better on. Strawberry scented, and this is For Keeps. I feel like this is just not doing it any justice. It's a pink gloss with gold glitters. It is so pretty. Okay, so we got all the glosses out. So now I'm gonna get the drawstring bag, business card, and the mailer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got everything that I need. Here is the order. So pretty. I don't know why this didn't print out on the back. Like, just wasting paper. Just wasting paper, bro. Alright, so it's 2.4. Ready to go. So once I go outside, I'm gonna drop it off at the post office. I'm going to check our inventory and see if we need to order any new scents. So I do have another order to fulfill, like I said earlier in the video, but I can't fulfill that right now because I'm out of jars. So I definitely have to order jars. I'm gonna order those after I check these. Let's check and see if I have the scents that I need. So Cherry is good. We still have some cherry. We have a good amount of cherry. Cotton candy. We got a little bit of cotton candy. This might actually be enough. I still need to order some though. Take note that I gotta order some of that. Chocolates. We have a lot of chocolate. Pineapple. A lot of pineapple. So I'm actually good on scents. Now, all I need to do is order the 2-ounce jar. All right, I'm in. Now, let me order my daggone jars so I can go on about my life. I got stuff I gotta do. The smallest quantity we can order is 48. So let's add, and it says in stock, ships today. I'm telling y'all, Uline is the way to go, okay? Literally, I'm about to order them right now. It is 9:25 a.m. Check out. Wait, no. Oh, I forgot I already had some in my cart because I was supposed to do this yesterday. I don't need that many. I just need the 48. Shipping date 9/15, delivery date 9/16. Boom, order submitted. Let me show y'all so y'all can know I ordered the jars. Lip scrubs are available, okay? Lip scrubs are available for retail and wholesale. Get you some. All right, so it says order submitted. Order date 9/15. I'm about to go outside, drop this order off, and actually continue the other vlog that should be up by now. Yeah, it should be up by now. So make sure y'all go check that video out. I am on a roll, okay? I'm trying to stay consistent. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And once the inventory gets here, I'll do a little unboxing, just some jars. I'll still do an unboxing and we'll go ahead and fulfill the orders. Since the order has been dropped off, I'm about to add the tracking number in right here to all items. All right, so the tracking number is in and click save. Boom. Email has been sent. All right, so I'm not gonna show my face because I'm not feeling good at all right now, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing so that I can go ahead and wash the jars. And here is proof that it is the 16th. Fast shipping from Uline. Right here, y'all see. I hate that they send these big boxes. Like, this is so unnecessary. I didn't order that much. I'm actually about to put my phone back on the charger. One thing about them folks is they're gonna make sure it's packed up and secure, okay? Got all the little peanuts. See, look, I'm about to make a mess. I just want the box. Bruh, if y'all can see my floor. This small box and that big box, for what? So unnecessary. Like I said the other day, I only needed 48. These are the jars. If you've been here, then you know that these are the jars that I use. 2 ounce. So I'm just gonna take out 5. I'm gonna take out 5 so they can sit in some cleaning water, and then later on I'm gonna go ahead and fulfill this order with you all. I just have to make the lip scrubs. The glosses that she ordered, they're already made. That's all I wanted to do was a quick little unboxing. Yeah, I hope that you all are enjoying this video. Make sure you leave a like. The emoji for this video, leave a smiley face, any smiley face. I just need some smiley faces right now because I'm not feeling good. I will see you guys later on to fulfill this lip scrub order. let's go ahead and get started. So right here is lemonade. She ordered one of each, so I don't need that much. This should be enough. The bowl is now clean. So now I'm going to do cherry. Probably not even this much. I'm gonna do a little bit more just to be on the safe side. Now I'm going to do cotton candy. I'm gonna start off with the pink. This might be too much, but it's okay. Hope that you all enjoyed this video. I'm actually going to end it here, pack it off camera, just so that I can get done faster. But here is the finished product. Cherry, lemonade. Y'all already know about the lemonade, okay? Chocolate, cotton candy, and pineapple. So yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and if you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video.